West Kentucky Video Digest. I'm Micah Spann, a current West Kentucky student, bringing you the latest happenings around campus and beyond. The long-dreaded finals week is almost upon us, but from May 1st through May 5th, Matheson Library is hosting the Finals Week Boost. Come in and get support to ace those exams. The induction ceremony for Phi Theta Kappa hosted an amazing event on April 24th in the West Kentucky Student Center. PTK is a place where students can build on their success. PTK, a prestigious honor society, makes a success for millions of college students through scholarships, fellowship, leadership, and service, the hallmarks of PTK. It's time for the photos of the week. About 50 guests came to Matheson Library on April 17th to learn more about the Pack Horse Librarians of Appalachia and discuss The Book Woman's Daughter by Kim Michelle Richardson. West Kentucky is proud to have partnered with the McCracken County Public Library to bring this program to our campus. This program is part of the Kentucky Humanities Statewide Literacy Initiative, Kentucky Reads. For more information on Kentucky Reads and events taking place throughout the state, visit kyhumanities.org. In other campus news, medical laboratory technology students recently took part in hands-on training and demonstration where they were able to experience capture technology with the help of MU-Core blood bank specialists. Thanks to Hillary Bell, MLT program coordinator, for sharing these photos. Lastly, we want to thank everyone who came out to help with the Earth Day celebration at the Paducah Farmers Market on Saturday. West Kentucky had several booths set up to give inspiration and information. Let's continue to make our planet a better place for all of us. And that's it for West Kentucky Video Digest. I'm Micah Spann. Thank you for tuning in and have a great day.